I'm trying the solo rockstar experience on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, but I'm doing something a little different. Instead of leaning into all the parties that Virgin Voyages is famous for, I'm attempting a full wellness day at sea. By the end of the day, I realized something about Virgin Voyages that most people don't talk about.
Good morning. It is 5:49 a.m. And yes, this morning we are going to make our morning workout class. But first, we are going to use our tablet. I want to order coffee. So let me go to Ship Eats and let's see about ordering some coffee to the room so we can get up, get our day started. We're gonna go some coffee. And how about, let's go. I'm gonna do an Americano and let's do whole milk. And I don't think I really want breakfast. So hopefully they bring some sweetener because they didn't have sweetener listed. All right, so let's say deliver now. I hope it comes before this. It says 40 to 60 minutes, but maybe for a cup of coffee. Maybe it won't take that long, but we will see. Okay, with white sugar. So we are going to place our order. All right, this tablet is a great thing. This is one of the things that I do love about Virgin. We're gonna go over here to room controls and just kind of turn on the lights just a little bit. You know, I only turned it up 10%, but we can turn it up to 100 if we want. We can go up here and just do all lights on, do all lights off. A little bit here. Can make it ambient. Ambient is the lights up there. Those are my ambient lights. Or I can turn on my vanity lights here. And those are my vanity lights. That's too bright, so we're gonna turn those back off. Then we can look at our different moods. Now my favorite, of course, is the Zen mood. Where is it? There we are. There's mine. I love that one. Yes. And it closes my curtains for me. I love this. All right, don't look at the room. It's a mess. So yeah, I am fresh out of bed. So no camera for me. But we haven't even put on our rockstar robe yet. So we're gonna do that now.
The Rockstar Suites come with a few fun extras, including the Rockstar robe. And since we're doing this wellness day in style, I figured I should probably try it on.
Do we look like a rock star? How about now?
Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this.
And coffee is already here. While I was here freshening up, coffee has arrived. So it took about, 10 minutes? All right, so we got our coffee with a little creamer. One of these is creamer. Yeah, this one's the coffee. That was the creamer, and they threw a couple of packs of sugar. So everything's good, but I'm going to have to get some packs of sweetener, the type of sweetener that I want, and more of it because there's like just two little packs of sugar. So if you do this, maybe you want to keep your own sweetener in your room so you can have it if you order coffee. Now for this morning's classes, we are going to Sun Worshippers from 7 to 7:30, and then from 7:30 to 8 a.m. we're doing the growth and guided meditation, and then at 8 to 8:30 a.m. we have open heart slow flow yoga. You can't see me, so let me turn around. So right now we are going to enjoy our morning coffee before we change for class. And we're just gonna sit here, enjoy our coffee. I like to listen to morning meditations and affirmations before I get up and start my day each day. So I'm about to do that. And then we'll get up and change and go to our morning classes. All right, the sun is up now. All right, so I got a few more minutes. I was just sitting here and doing my meditations and affirmations. That's something I do every morning. When I wake up, I start my day with gratitude, thinking of all the things that I'm thankful for, thinking of at least one thing that I'm thankful for. I focus on that, I meditate on that, and it's a great way to start the day and to set your mind for the day as to what you're going to do today. What are you going to achieve today? What are you going to work on today? And to remind yourself to have positive thoughts, to watch your speech, because everything that we say that is negative, I mean, we internalize that. It's like when you focus on your problems, guess what you're going to have? More problems. So yes, so I like to start the day with reminding myself, because it can be hard throughout the day as things come at you, to remain positive, to not focus on what's going wrong, to not speak about what's going wrong, but hey, what can I do to turn this around? How can I make this go right? That's hard to do. So it's like every morning you have to reset your mind, reset your focus, so you can stay on track, so you can achieve your goals, so you can achieve peace of mind. And that's also a part of what wellness is about. Wellness on a cruise is more than just going to the spa. I mean, it's the ocean. It's your ocean wellness. It's your mental wellness. It's the way that you eat. Not that you have to eat healthy all the time. You can still enjoy the food on the ship, but just being more mindful of what you're putting in, not eating or drinking to excess to where you feel ugh. Even though we did get kind of stuffed last night, but that fish was good. So that's what wellness is all about. As I started talking about wellness, it's like it just kind of creeped in to where it's just something that I'm interested in, and how can I achieve more of that? How can I focus on that more? Yeah, that's something that I feel like it's me. I feel like it's something that I want to focus on and that I want to share. All right, so let me stop this yapping and get up and go to my morning classes. Mornings are always the best times on the ship because nobody's up. It's always so peaceful and quiet.
Going up.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy out here, a little bit cooler, but it's a nice cool. It's like, this is the best time of the year to me to cruise because it's not blazing hot. But wow, look at this water. I wonder, the seas are a little bit rough. I love the movement, but there was a chance we had to change our itinerary because of weather. There's not a hurricane, but I can see the seas are a little bit rough. And at the beginning, there was some talk of whether we would be able to make it to Bimini. So hopefully we will still make it. But this is Virgin in the morning. All right, let's hurry up and get to class. Got some early risers in the gym already. It's almost 7, not even 7 a.m.
One thing that I do like about Virgin Voyages is how many ways there are to stay active on board. So to kick off this wellness day, I headed to one of the morning workout classes. After the class, I still took a few minutes to walk the track overlooking the ocean. Sometimes wellness is as simple as fresh air, a little movement, and the sound of the waves. Virgin Voyages is known for its nightlife, but the mornings tell a completely different story. Up here early, the ship feels quiet, calm, and honestly pretty perfect for a wellness morning. This area is called the Perch, and it's one of the outdoor spaces where Virgin Voyages often hosts yoga, meditation, and fitness classes as well as other events. And I'll be back here later. But it's a great example of how the ship was designed with wellness in mind. One of the perks I have is Deep Blue Extras, Virgin Voyages loyalty program, which I got through Status Match. One of the benefits is 2 complimentary specialty coffees per day, which works out pretty well for me. If you haven't already, you should check out their Status Match program too. After the workout and morning walk, it was time for breakfast.
So after class, I stopped here at the hot off the press, and I got avocado toast. Now this is gluten-free here at the galley, which is a good thing. So I can order gluten-free by preference without having it in my onboard account, so that everything that I get. It's hard to do in the restaurants because you're either or you're not. But I just asked for gluten-free toast for my avocado toast.
Back in the suite, I spent a little time enjoying one of my favorite Virgin Voyages features, the balcony hammock. It's the perfect place to relax, reflect, or even get a little work done while listening to the ocean. Another fun part of the Rockstar Suite experience is the in-suite bar that comes stocked with a selection of drinks. And since today is all about wellness, I was pleasantly surprised to see things like kombucha and organic wine alongside the usual selections. Since this was a wellness day, I was looking for something that felt a little lighter for lunch, so I took a walk around to see what looked good. I love that on Virgin Voyages there are plenty of choices, whether you want something quick and light or a full meal. These are always some things you can get to grab and go. Tres leche, we have mousse, so those are your desserts, different salads that you can just pick up and go, and now, Virgin Voyages is an adult-only cruise line, so technically there are no kids here. But once you get near the arcade games, you'll definitely see some adults acting like kids again. Just past the social club, there's a small shopping area and a few other spots to explore on the way to lunch. And one stop that immediately caught my attention was the healthy juice bar. After looking around for a bit, I finally decided on lunch at the Dock House, one of my favorite relaxed dining spots on the ship. I just love the cool and relaxed vibe back here. And of course, I had to order my favorite drink here, the fig cocktail. Next time you're on board, if you haven't already, try it out and tell me how you like it.
I'm so glad I could be out. This is my weather. I'm not passing out.
This is nice, yes. It's not hot out here, it feels good.
Later in the afternoon, I made my way back up to the perch, where Virgin Voyages was hosting a special event for sailors with Deep Blue Extras status. It was a relaxed gathering with live music and complimentary champagne. I met up with another solo rock star named Andrea, and we headed to the LOL comedy show, which was in the Manor. So of course, I had to get Andrea to work those Manor lights for the first time. Andrea and I headed to the LOL Comedy Club for one of his shows on board. And somehow, we ended up sitting right in the front row. Now, you know that's a no-no. And yes, he picked on us, but it was just a one-liner and he left us alone. Thank goodness.
Here's what's tough in your relationship. Here's what's difficult. Trust. That's why there are a million I love you songs. There's not one I trust you song. I just called to say I trust you. When a man trusts a woman.
Now the show was great, but we enjoyed the food even better. The fish and chips, perfect. Now, one of the Rockstar perks that I really appreciated came when it was time for the evening show, booked. Now for the shows, the Rockstars have a separate priority line, which makes getting into popular shows much easier. As long as you arrive about 10 minutes before the show, Rockstars are escorted in first and get the best choice of seats. And the show booked, it was absolutely excellent. After the show, I walked past the On the Rocks bar, where a live band was playing and the evening energy on this ship was just getting started. But for me, my relaxing day on Scarlet Lady was coming to an end. After a full day on board, I headed back to my Rockstar Suite to wind down for the night. And looking back on the day, I realized something. Virgin Voyages might be known for its nightlife and parties, but if you want a wellness-focused day with movement, fresh air, good food, and a little rockstar comfort, it's absolutely possible. For me, it turned out to be a really great wellness day at sea. If you've ever wondered whether Virgin Voyages can be relaxing instead of just a party cruise, well, now you know. And if you've sailed Virgin Voyages before, tell me, what does a perfect day on board look like for you? Ready to try Virgin Voyages or sail again with new friends? Join me October 17th through the 22nd, 2026 on Resilient Lady for my Resilient Escape group cruise. Going to Grand Turk, adult only, high energy when you want it, wellness when you need it. You'll have community without losing your freedom. Links below. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.